First of all, purchase one of our packages on our website. Once purchased, head over to your dashboard and select your server. Click on the Download button. Unzip the folder and put in your server files. Open the config file. Then enter your license. Go back to your dashboard and click on Logs. Then click on the Add Log button. Enter a name and log fields. I'm going to create logs for my card dealer script. Click on Create Log. Copy this piece of code and implement it in your script and change the values. Restart your script, and you should see the logs coming in.